Motivational tips for healthy weight loss. Losing weight can be challenging, but with the right mindset, you can reach your goals and transform your life. Here is a guide for successful weight loss, with motivational tips to keep you on track. First tip: invest in or gain access to a full-length mirror to understand your current body shape and set goals for transformation. Exercising in front of a mirror serves as motivation and enhances confidence by allowing you to witness your body's evolution and track weight loss progress. Strike a pose and let those endorphins fuel your journey. Start by making smart food choices. Replace unhealthy ingredients and reduce sugar, salt, and oil in your favorite dishes. Opt for natural sweeteners, herbs, and healthier cooking methods to enhance flavor without compromising your goals. Cook at home as much as possible. When you prepare your meals, you have control over what goes into them, making it easier to make healthier choices. Hydration is essential for weight loss. Boost your water intake by using a designated water container, keeping it within arm's reach for easy access throughout the day, and enhancing the taste by infusing it with your favorite natural fruits or vegetables. Hydration aids weight loss by supporting your body's vital functions and mitigating unnecessary cravings. Regular exercise is vital for weight loss. Choose exercises that you enjoy and that realistically fit into your schedule. Establish a backup exercise plan that can be executed independently of people, weather conditions, or specific equipment to ensure consistency and progress towards your fitness goals, regardless of external factors. Invest in exercise gear that makes you feel comfortable and confident, and motivational aids like upbeat exercise music or inspiring exercise videos to keep you pumped and energized. Set realistic weight loss goals and devise a plan to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller milestones. For example, instead of setting a lofty goal of losing 50 pounds in a month, opt for a more realistic goal, such as losing 2 pounds weekly. Celebrate each achievement along the way. Reward yourself in ways that align with your goals and don't derail your progress. Lastly, remember that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Instead of getting discouraged, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Utilize strategies like increasing your exercise, intake of healthy foods, or intermittent fasting to get back on track. With dedication, perseverance, and these motivational tips, you have everything you need to succeed on your weight loss journey. So take that first step and make your dreams a reality. You've got this. If you found value in this video, we invite you to like, subscribe, and share it with others to promote good health and wellness.